you can add a background to your Canva design. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Canva and log into it. After you do that, just go ahead and then search any background that you want. I'm just going to do sunset background. And after you search for it, hit enter and you will get your backgrounds. Now you can select from a wide variety, so I'll just select this one right here. After you do that, just hit customize this template and you'll be redirected to another page. Now after you do that, you will see this editing page right here. Just tap on it and you can add text or whatever you want. So let's just add a text box right here and you can expand this too. And maybe you can write a really good quote. Now you can do whatever you want around this background right here. So just, have fun with it and, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, this is how you add a background to your Canva design. Thank you for watching, guys. This is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.